Put your hands up. Girl in a bikini. Everybody got a red cup. In a the pool party, oh. Like a scene from a movie. Starring everybody. Oh.
Hi beautiful world. What's up? So I just finished filming a makeup store, my final Thanksgiving look. This subtle, colorful look. I wiped off my lips, you know, because packed up and all of that. I could have bought a flower on a lip. I'm gonna take off the top of it too. I just put it on for the video. It's cardigan. So yeah, I mean, yo, honestly, after almost 2:30 now in the evening, I'm telling you, last night I tell myself, say, yo, I wake up early morning, you know. Set my alarm to 9 o'clock. Alright, yeah, that's how my early. I'm not a morning person, cause on most days I wake up like 12 o'clock, yeah. So I was like, yo, I'm gonna try my best, because the other day I did discipline myself and I woke up like somebody 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, film a 4 video for the day, and I was like, yo, yeah, me at the road. But I don't know, I guess because since lately I've just been working so much. You want me to say, yo, I'm gonna try to go to bed and don't watch, you know, YouTube. It's like, there's just a voice in my head saying, oh my gosh, you need to go check out, suppose this person upload a new video. You know. And, oh, that week here, yeah, when you see me, I make it in the end of my previous vlog, remember? Yeah, with the Peruvian hair. This is it. It's pretty, I like it. It's pretty soft and everything. Nice. Everything about this I gonna come from my main channel, so but I like it. It's pretty, I like it. I cut it, by the way. I did take off like probably 1.5 inches or 2, because it wasn't that long, you know. But yeah, just to make it look healthy, because if my hair does not look healthy in my head, I don't want. Like I started that video here now though, but, fold up some clothes. I don't know if I can see my clothes them around there, so fold them up and put them on them for go, straighten up all of that, and then have a lot of ideas. I'm oh my gosh, I have so much things I want to ooze out. I mean, the holidays are coming. Heading to a client, so I wanted to film today, but you know, she called me kind of last minute, so I might film when I come back home. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see, because it's like 2:11. Oh my god, 11 o'clock. It's pretty late. I'm gonna know. Here, dear people. I just done with yeah, about to go back home now and publish a video. So by the time I see this, it's gonna be up. So yeah. Selfie moment. I'm crusty. She's leaky. Don't tell me. Where the phone is me? Be quiet. Excuse the crusty. I'm gonna kill it this time. I'm gonna kill it. Move now. What? Ready? I'm gonna kill it now. Wait. I love it. I was already. Petite-Sue. You Mr. B. Trying to say you gonna kill it? I like this. Yeah, I saw that. A joke. I just said I'm your friend. One more time. One more time. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, eh, eh. Ooh, ooh, ah. Ooh, ooh. Okay guys, so this is what I made for the side. Some regular mashed potatoes with cheese on top, and then we have some sweet potato with cheese on top, and then so this is it. I made turkey neck, well stewed with spinners that are in there and sweet pepper. So that's it. Hi guys, what's up? It's Friday and afternoon. Well, not afternoon, still morning, but almost 12 o'clock. I'm just here getting my life with these Black Friday deals, yo. Guys, I'm telling you, I went back to Fashion Nova and I bought some more stuff. Not a lot. So far I would say I have a decent amount of stuff. I got something for Shami. I got something at Converse. I got, what else I got? Oh wait, yeah, I got some stuff at NYX and Colourpop. I got so much stuff from Colourpop. I got stuff from MAC. Like, yo, I just went crazy. I started to go crazy from yesterday. I'm about to publish a video. Yeah, I need to make a quick stop before I reach that client. She's going to a wedding, so I have her, then I have a club later, then tomorrow I have a client for a wedding again, and then a club again, and yeah, I think I have somebody else. Let me even check my book. I don't even remember, but yeah, that's what's up, yo. The time been bleaky. I don't know, like it's I know it's Christmas time and the time usually get like breezy and stuff, but like it is chilly than usual, chillier, you know. It's weird, like it's real weird. Like I'm happy though because it's not burning, it's not scorching hot, but it actually feel like back in the days then. It actually feel like back in the days when freaking Christmas used to come around, when it used to be chilly and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna head out to my drive and also I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So I just finished with my client. I'm gonna insert a clip so you can see her. And only your love can fill up my cup, 'cause I'm and I'm here, I'm waiting on my driver, so yeah, he'll be here in a few. Pack up and some things there. So yeah, I'm just gonna head back home now. I think
Them say frog jumping here. Watch mommy. She's so dramatic, people.